Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the ChatGPT application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in and search for ChatGPT. Once you find the ChatGPT application, just tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this in order to install the latest update. Just tap on this button and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates for the ChatGPT app. Just wait for a while until this process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button once again. You can then tap on this in order to open up the app and start using the latest updates right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the ChatGPT application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.